Iowa's fight against COVID-19 is heading in the wrong direction, and the number of daily new cases is starting to accelerate. Good evening, I'm Erin Kiernan.
I'm Dan Winters. Thank you for joining us tonight as we mark the first time in 8 months since Metro hospitals have been this busy.
Hospitalizations are rising right along with new cases. The State Department of Health released the disappointing numbers today, nearly 1,300 new cases per day over the past week, for a total of more than 8,900. More than 20% of the new cases involved kids younger than 17. You can see the trend of new cases is quickly rising. It is now at a level last seen in late January. Though at a slower rate, the number of deaths is also going up. 39 Iowans died of the virus in the past week. Nearly 500 people are currently hospitalized. 133 of them are in intensive care. Hospitalizations are up 26% in the past week. The increasing number of cases has led to only a slight uptick in people getting the vaccine, though. Currently, 49% of Iowa's population is fully vaccinated.
All of these statistics have made the jobs of school nurses just that much more important. WHO 13's Kaylin Thompson joins us now. Tell us about how these nurses are navigating, well, among other things, the lack of the mask mandates, the lack of tools to be able to stop the spread.
Right, Dan. School nurses are doing more now than they ever could have imagined. And for most, I'm told these past 2 years have been the toughest in their careers.
It's been very challenging, just like nurses in the hospital, but a lot of schools either have one nurse for the entire school, or sometimes they do one nurse for multiple different schools. So it has been extremely challenging in order to support our students, our staff, along with our families that have multiple questions regarding COVID.
As school nurses try to answer those questions, they have a new tool to help them do so. Unity Point Health is launching a new website with different information available for teachers, parents, and students. Mayors say it will be a helpful resource, especially as they work with the increases in community transmission.
So with that concern, we've had to look at some additional mitigation strategies, and then back to what can we do from contact tracing, and we have to look at all of the different rules and regulations that come from the Iowa Department of Public Health, along with our local public health, and then kind of weigh those options and recommendations that we get from Unity Point, along with like Blank Children's Hospital.
As you just heard, school nurses have to communicate with many different entities and people in order to keep everyone at school safe. And as far as that new website from Unity Point, I'm told that will launch tomorrow.
Yeah, they got to get clearance from the local school board. Thank you, Kaylin.
We have new details tonight about protests and vandalism at a University of Iowa fraternity. Hundreds of people gathered outside the Phi Gamma Delta fraternity house last night. The protest followed an online petition calling for the fraternity to be removed from